Protect2 picked, booyah!
Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and I'm going to start off today with saying this is a great week for lock sport. We have had a world's first pick. The lock that was taken down this week was the Abloy Protect2. This is a very difficult disc detainer lock. Abloy makes some of the world's toughest locks, and this lock was taken down by HelpfulLockPicker. He is known as the Abloy Slayer. He has dedicated many years of his life working on disc detainer locks and really being the nemesis of Abloy. I am so excited to see that this lock was picked on video. HelpfulLockPicker was one of the first black belts on Reddit r/lockpicking, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to immediately start off with showing a quick clip of him opening up the Abloy Protect2.
So this is a Protect2. Count them. 1, 2. And we're going to pick it. It is locked, set. I've performed a DBS bypass already, so that allows me to pick the lock. So the differences between Protect 1 and 2 are quite significant. People think there aren't many, but the ones that they have made, well, they've made picking it quite a lot more difficult. And quite a few other techniques. Forgive the crystal maze on in the background. I'm doing this by feel. This isn't the technique I'd use in the field. It's a bit too hit and miss. Yeah, that feels good. I just want to show really that it is possible to hand pick, or using a wheel pick if you like. Protect. Oh, there we go. Click. And our lock is open.
Thank you so much for checking out HelpfulLockPicker opening up the Abloy Protect2. He is a really great guy. He is, I believe, a 7th generation locksmith. He has opened up so many different locks. He's probably one of the most talented lockpickers out there, and he is a great guy. What I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here. If you'd like to check out his channel and consider subscribing, HelpfulLockPicker is always doing something interesting, and he is a great guy worth checking out and following. But I have digressed. The video that I'm going to have for you today is going to be my lock sport update. This is a video series that I started so you can share some of your updates throughout the week, and it is a great place for me to share my own updates. I really enjoy trying to start a conversation with the community and just seeing what has been going on. I encourage everyone to actively comment in the comment section below, and we can just start to get a really great conversation going. Without further ado, I'm going to start this week's lock sport update. I'd like to first start off this week's Lock Sport update by saying congratulations again to HelpfulLockPicker on taking down the Abloy Protect2. The last lock that I saw that was taken down was the Bowley lock by Chris Aarons, and I am so happy to see that HelpfulLockPicker was the one to take down the Abloy Protect2. He's dedicated so much of his time to mastering disc detainer locks, and I just want to say congratulations again to you, HelpfulLockPicker. What I'd like to start off this week's Lock Sport update is first going over a few personal updates. One of the first updates I'd like to share is that I won Manias' 200 subscriber giveaway. I'm very excited for that, and I'm so excited to see the rapid growth that Mania has had. He is a really great channel, and it is so fun watching everyone grow. If you haven't checked out Mania already, I recommend that you do check him out. What I'm going to do right now is just show a very quick clip of the drawing of that giveaway.
Hey guys! Today it is 2 weeks ago I announced my 200 sub giveaway. So, today I want to find the winner. And there's all the names. It's empty. Alright. Put them all in the bottom. Alright, we have it. We have it, guys. And that is HelpfulLockPicker. Damn.
Thank you so much for checking out that quick clip on Manias' channel. If you haven't checked him out already, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. And the next thing I'd like to share is I just cannot believe one of my videos has recently surpassed over 1 million views. I cannot even start to comprehend 1 million people watching one of my videos, finding it interesting enough to click on and enjoying it. The video that I have that reached over 1 million views was one of my earlier videos. This was before I had any expensive camera setup, good audio, or any really good setup at all. And this video shows you that it is all about the story that will help your channel be able to make some really great content. This video was filmed on my old camera that always had autofocusing issues, audio issues, lighting issues, you name it, it had it. But if you are starting off in YouTube, I highly recommend that you always start with focusing on your story and your content first and worry about getting the video equipment later. I'm going to show you a quick clip of this video right now. Hey guys, HelpfulLockPicker here. The video I have for you today is hopefully show you how the basics of lockpicking pin tumbler locks works. I have a clear acrylic lock to help you visualize what's going on. I want to start off by just showing you a few basics of how the lock works. Thank you for checking out my very quick clip of my video. This was my 30th video called Close Up on How Lockpicking Works. I am still surprised that it is so popular today, and I thank everyone that has checked out that video and watched it. I am so happy to see a number of my videos that have gained popularity. I have several of them, and just thank you again to everyone that checks out my content and enjoys it. You guys make this so fun to run, and I highly encourage everyone to just try to subscribe to all the channels that they like and just try to keep it fun and interactive. The next thing I'd like to announce is my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. The entries to that have officially closed, and I am going to announce the winner this coming Saturday, so please stay tuned for that. I am very excited to announce a winner to my 15,000 subscriber giveaway, and I wish everyone luck that has entered. The next thing I'd like to do is do a warm welcoming to Mr. Paradise. I believe he might go by Picking Paradise or something like that on Reddit, but Mr. Paradise has had a channel for a little while, but right now he's under 10 subscribers. He's such a very small channel, and he hasn't made a video in a little while, but he had recently made a video of him picking a Abus 9050 Ti, and I'm just going to show you a quick clip of that video so you can check out what his channel is all about.
Mr. Paradise with Pick in Paradise. We've got the Abus 9050, and I wanted to start this video out Stock Lock Sunday. That's why I'm going to try to get this one open. Sometimes it gives me a horrible fight and I can't open it in like 10 minutes. Back pin's doing the same thing. Boom. Very back pin. Now I can there we go, we got it open. And that's why I pick a lot. I sit here and just look at that. It's very nice to look at. So, peace out.
Thank you for checking out Mr. Paradise. If you enjoyed his video and you'd like to check out more of his content, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing to him. Now I'd like to go over a few milestones that have been reached. The first milestone I'd like to reach is LockNoob. LockNoob is starting to approach 20,000 subscribers. He has not gotten there yet, But in the hopes of hitting 20,000 subscribers, he's going to be working on a giveaway when he reaches that milestone. LockNoob, I just want to wish you luck. You have a really great channel, and it is so fun watching your channel grow, and hitting the 20,000 subscriber mark is going to be a really great milestone. He has not made the announcement yet, but he did make a little sneak peek on Twitter the other day. If you haven't already checked out LockNoob, I highly recommend you do, and I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another milestone recently is Pocket Women. Pocket Women is a smaller channel, and she just reached 100 subscribers. If you haven't checked her out already, I'll put a link in the description below so you can check out Pocket Women. She is always making new content, and it is just so fun to see more women getting involved in lock sport, and even more specifically in the YouTube video creator community. This is so fun to see all of these channels and seeing more women get involved. And the final milestone that I'd like to mentioned today is going to be Pickbender. Pickbender is a somewhat recent YouTube channel, but he is not a new picker. Pickbender has been on Reddit for a little while. He goes by the name C3RB. I'm not going to try to pronounce it because I'll probably say it wrong. But he has recently reached the black belt level on Reddit. He is our 14th black belt, and I just want to say congratulations. He reached this by picking the EVA 3KS and the 4KS, and that is just a really great achievement. And what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up to his channel on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. It is so exciting to see Reddit getting more black belts all the time, and it is just fun to see everyone starting to rise up the ranks and always challenge themselves to get open more difficult locks. This is such a fun community, seeing everyone grow and just seeing everyone interact in such a positive way. But either way, that is all I have for you today. This has been this week's Lock Sport Update. If you have any updates that you'd like to share, I highly encourage you to leave them in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share them next week. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out. And I just want to say one more congratulations to Huxley Pig on opening up the Abloy Protect2, and to Pickbender for reaching your black belt. These are both really great accomplishments, and I congratulate you both, and I cannot wait to see what you'll get accomplished in the future. Thank you guys so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day.